Let's find out today's 8th 11-2025 updates from India and abroad along with the stock overview. America's big decision on silver. US adds silver to critical minerals list. Silver price outlook 2025. Breaking news. The United States Geological Survey (USGS) has officially added silver along with copper and uranium to its critical minerals list. This final notification was issued on 7 November 2025, making it the first time in history that silver has been recognized as a strategically important mineral for America's economy and national security. Key highlights of US decision. US now a critical mineral. Silver has moved from the draft list 2022 to the final official list of 60 critical minerals. Industrial and defense importance. Silver plays a vital role in electronics, defense systems, photovoltaic solar panels, EV batteries, and medical devices. Investment and mining boost. With this inclusion, silver-related mining, refining, and recycling industries in the US may receive tax incentives, policy support, and funding priority. Global supply impact. The move could reduce America's dependence on silver imports from China, Mexico, and Peru, the top global producers. Expert insights. This is a major turning point for the global silver market. The US now considers silver as vital as lithium or copper. It's a long-term positive decision for silver investors. Short-term market reactions and view. Short-term, some volatility may appear as traders assess whether the US will impose tariffs or export controls under Section 232 of its trade law. Long-term, silver's demand could rise significantly due to growth in renewable energy, 5G EVs and clean tech sectors. China factor. China recently introduced new export rules for silver, which may tighten global supply and further support prices. For the first time ever, silver has gained official strategic status in the United States. This move strengthens its role in clean energy, defense, and industrial technologies. The short-term movement may remain range-bound, but the long-term outlook for silver remains strongly bullish. Stay connected with Stock Overview for more such fresh updates.